Welcome to ez.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, write the polynomial in a factored form. And we have given the polynomial 28 x square yz plus 28 x square y square z. Now, this can be written as 28 x square yz plus 28 x square y into y into z. So we can take common here 28 x square yz and remaining is 1 plus y. Hence, factored form of this 28 x square yz plus 28 x square y square z is 28 x square yz into 1 plus y.